Show up. Show up means to arrive somewhere, especially when people are expecting you. It often implies showing up for an event, a meeting, an appointment, or you can show up for a promise that you made. If you show up, you arrive. If you don't show up, people notice. Show up is very common in everyday American English. It can sound positive, negative, or neutral. Now, we use show up at work, at school, during family events, social plans, sports, classes, and meetings. It's not just about arriving, it's about being present when it matters. Some common examples of show up are: he showed up late to the meeting. He arrived late to the meeting. Did she show up for the interview? Did she ever come for her interview? We could also say, only 5 people showed up to the class. We only had 5 people in the class today. Or, I showed up early to make a good impression. I arrived early to make a good impression. Or, he said he would help, but he never showed up. Somebody said they were going to help us, but they never came. One of the most common uses of this phrasal verb is to use it in the negative. He didn't show up. She never showed up. Why didn't you show up? Show up is also used very frequently in casual speech. You'll hear, just show up. Or, I don't know if he'll show up. She finally showed up. Short, simple, very natural. Now keep in mind, show up does not mean to visit casually, hang out, stay for a long time. It really focuses on arrival. Now repeat after me. Show up. Show up. Show up. I'll show up on time. He didn't show up. She showed up early. Did you show up to the meeting?